PiCoin, a digital asset pioneered by PiNetwork, has captured global attention as one of the cryptocurrency projects with significant growth potential. Although it is still in the developmental and testing stages, PiCoin has already generated considerable speculation about its future in the crypto market. Many argue that PiCoin could be a game changer within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. However, several challenges facing PiNetwork raise the question of whether PiCoin will ultimately be able to realize its immense potential. PiNetwork introduces a unique concept in the cryptocurrency world. One of its key features is the ability to mine PiCoin directly from a smartphone, which stands in stark contrast to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which require specialized hardware and significant computational power. This innovative approach enables millions of people to mine PiCoin without incurring substantial costs for equipment, making it more accessible compared to other major cryptocurrencies. In addition to this, PiNetwork prioritizes decentralization and promotes a more inclusive digital economy. The network's primary goal is to make cryptocurrency more accessible to the general public, particularly those without access to traditional financial systems. By offering a platform that allows individuals from all walks of life to participate in the growing digital economy, PiNetwork aims to democratize cryptocurrency and foster a more inclusive financial future. While PiCoin is not yet listed on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, many are confident that PiCoin could secure a dominant position in the global crypto market once the mainnet is fully launched. PiNetwork already boasts an impressive number of users, with more than 35 million people registered on the platform. This growing user base signals a high level of demand for PiCoin, even though it is not yet tradable. If PiNetwork can complete crucial stages, such as ensuring greater decentralization and integration into global markets through top-tier exchanges, PiCoin could experience a significant price surge. This potential is further amplified by the fact that PiCoin has garnered attention from investors and crypto enthusiasts around the world, all eager to see how the project evolves. The growing user base and adoption are vital factors that could drive PiCoin's explosive growth. Once the token is listed on major exchanges and integrated into the broader crypto ecosystem, its price could soar, making it one of the top-performing digital assets in the market. As more people gain access to PiCoin, its value will likely increase as demand continues to rise. Despite PiCoin's immense potential, there are several obstacles that PiNetwork must overcome before it can reach its full potential. One of the primary challenges is the need to prove the sustainability and stability of PiCoin in the market. Currently, PiCoin is trading at below $1, which could reflect market uncertainty. However, many are still questioning when PiCoin will truly demonstrate its inherent value. In addition, PiNetwork faces technical and regulatory challenges that could slow its progress. Although millions of people have registered on the platform, the ongoing Know Your Customer, or KYC process, remains a significant hurdle. Until this process is completed, the widespread adoption and use of PiCoin will be limited. Furthermore, the integration of PiCoin into major exchanges has not yet been fully realized, meaning the token is not freely traded on global markets. These challenges raise questions about the speed at which PiCoin can break into the mainstream crypto market. The absence of a significant trading platform presence and the uncertain regulatory landscape could make it difficult for PiNetwork to reach its potential as a top cryptocurrency. To unlock the full potential of PiCoin, PiNetwork must address these challenges. One crucial step is to accelerate the KYC process and ensure that PiCoin can be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Once PiCoin is available for trading on prominent platforms, it will be more accessible to a global audience, which could significantly boost demand and, in turn, its price. Another important step is to expand the use cases for PiCoin across various industries. By promoting PiCoin as a legitimate payment method, PiNetwork could drive its adoption on a global scale. Partnerships with businesses, e-commerce platforms, and even governments could help establish PiCoin as a valuable asset in the global economy. The more widespread its use, the more valuable PiCoin becomes. In addition to expanding its use cases, PiNetwork must also focus on increasing its developer ecosystem. The creation of decentralized app. PiCoin holds significant promise as a future player in the cryptocurrency market. However, there are several hurdles that PiNetwork must overcome before it can realize its full potential. By addressing these challenges, such as expanding its exchange listings, accelerating the KYC process, and promoting broader adoption, PiCoin could become one of the most valuable digital assets in the years to come. For now, while uncertainty surrounds its immediate future, the potential for PiCoin to experience an explosive price surge remains strong. If the network can navigate these obstacles and successfully execute its plan, PiCoin could be positioned to achieve massive growth, potentially making it a leading cryptocurrency in the global market. As the crypto world continues to evolve, PiCoin's journey could prove to be one of the most exciting stories in the space.